Hello students, standard 6th. In mathematics we are busy with the chapter number 6, integers. In last session we started the exercise 6.1 and finished up to question number 5. So today we are going to continue with question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? We already learned about the number line that when two numbers are there on the number line, then the number which is bigger will be on the right side of the smaller one. And therefore, from the pair, we just have to check which number is greater than the other. That will be on the right side. So let's check the first pair. It is 2 and 9. Here, which number is greater? Obviously 9. So here 9 is greater than 2. So 9 is to the right of 2. So on the number line, 9 is greater, therefore it will be on the right side to the number 2. Second pair is -3, -8. Now in negative numbers, the smaller is greater and greater is smaller. So don't make mistake here. Here it looks like 8 is greater and 3 is smaller, but in negative, you know that on the number line, it comes like that, -2, -3, -4. So as you move to the left side, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. So -3 will be here and -8 will be this side. So -3 is greater and -8 is smaller. So here -3 is greater than -8. So -3 is to the right of -8. Third pair is 0, -1. Now we know that 0 is greater than all the negative numbers, negative integers, and therefore obviously 0 is greater than -1. So here 0 is greater than -1. So 0 is to the right of -1. Another pair D is -11 and 10. Here also sometimes the students are getting confused and in a hurry. They only see the digits but don't look at the sign. Here 11 is greater than 10 but 11 is negative. So -11 comes on the left side of the 0, and we know that the negative integers are all smaller than the positive integers. They are even smaller than 0. So here 10 is greater, not -11. So 10 is greater than minus 11. So here 10 is greater than minus 11. So 10 is to the right of minus 11. Next pair is minus 6 and 6. So obviously positive integer is greater than negative integers. So here 6 is greater than minus 6. So 6 is to the right of minus 6. And the last pair is 1 and minus 100. Oh, it looks like 100 is the biggest number, but it is negative, and we know that 1 is positive, different. So here 1 is greater than minus 100. So 1 is to the right of minus 100. So we know that when the number is greater, then it is always on the right side to the other number on the number line. So by this way we can write down the answers. Now question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs and write them in increasing order. So we have to write down the numbers which are lying between them, means the pair is given, and that should be in the increasing order. First pair is 0 and minus 7. In this situation, you have to imagine a number line. If you can't imagine, there is rough page, you can draw on your rough page. 0 and minus 7. 0 will be this side, minus 7 will be this side. So which numbers are there between them? Of course, from here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. But we have to write down in increasing order, means smallest first. So here from minus 6, all numbers, which is the smallest? Minus 6. It means we will write down minus 6 first. So answer is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. These numbers are between 0 and minus 7 and they are in the increasing order. Which is the second pair? Second pair is minus 4 and 4. So here also minus 4 is that side, 4 is that side. So between them it will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So you have to just consider the number line in your mind and then write down in the increasing order. C. The third pair is minus 8 and minus 15. Minus 8 and minus 15. So you know that 0 will be here, minus 8 will be this side and minus 15 will be that side. So you have to start from minus 14 up to minus 7 in the increasing order. So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. Those numbers will be between minus 8 and minus 5 in the increasing order. And the last pair D is minus 30 and minus 23. Minus 30 and minus 23. So here on the number line again, imagine negative numbers. So minus 23 will be first that side and minus 30 will be here. So between them minus 29 up to minus 22. So it will be minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24. Because minus 23, so up to minus 24 should be there because it's going this side. So up to minus 24 we have to write it down. So those numbers are in the increasing order and they are lying between minus 30 and minus 23. Let's do the next question, number 8. It says that in that there is two questions. First is write 4 negative integers. Write 4 negative integers which are greater than minus 20. Greater than minus 20. So here, if you don't think properly, then you will write down minus 21, minus 23, all are greater. But in negative, smaller is greater and greater is smaller. So we have to write down. If you get confused, go on the number line. That is the better way. Here is 0, here it will be minus 20. Now we have to write down greater than. Greater than all must be on the right side. So here from minus 19 to minus 1 you can choose any 4 number. So you can write down minus 18, minus 15, minus 10, minus 7. Any 4 but negative only. So from the left side to 0 between minus 20. So you can choose your own numbers also. It's not necessary that I wrote down this number, so you will also. But just there should be greater than minus 20. So here the second one. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. Write 4 integers less than minus 10. Now we know that 0 minus 10 will be here. Now less than numbers will be all here. So on the left side you can write down any biggest number also because all are smaller than minus 10. So you can write down minus 15, minus 75, minus 135, minus 2357. Whatever your number think, you can write down at that one. Now, question number 9 is very simple. It is true or false. So, I am leaving it for you for the homework so we can do the last question of this, that is question number 10. It says, draw a number line and answer the following. Draw a number line and answer the following. So here we will draw a number line first, and then we can see from the number line. Question number A is, okay, let's mark some numbers. So minus 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. Now from the same number line we will try to give the answers. First question, which number will be reached? Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? To the right of minus 2. So we have to start from minus 2 here. And then on the right side, we have to move 4 numbers. What is the right side? That side. So from minus 2, if you move 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, what do you get? Number 2. So your answer is, we get 2. We are going 2 and another 2 you will do for the homework. Now next is, which number will we reach? If we move 5 numbers, to the left of 1. So now from the number 1, you have to move left. How many? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We get to the number minus 4. So answer is, we get number minus 4. So here we have to, you can write down the other 2 as the homework. So here we are going to finish today's session, and it will be followed by the PDF, and whatever remaining question 9 and in question 10, that other 2 you have to write down yourself. Any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.